There's a border.
Uy! Oo, tangin na.
Hey, parking.
Daya, utangin naman.
Pinay!
Ano?
For sale!
Ay, okay. It's 33. We are leaving to go camping. I'm not ready for camping. I don't like camping. I'm gonna see how everyone is in the morning. I only got 4 hours of sleep. So, I'll see you guys later. Guys, they said we're gonna leave at 4:30. It's 4:45. I just made myself coffee because we're gonna be driving. I'm one of the drivers. The first one's gonna be Junie, and then it's gonna be me. So I need something, but I think I'm gonna sleep first, and then he will sleep after. So.
Okay, I like it. Picasso.
For the good morning. We're waiting for Dea and Isa. Wow, for the Coquette AirPod Max. So cute naman this girl. No sleep check.
Hello, what's your name?
Social. Gusto mo yung energy gap.
Ay, ano, hindi pa kami nakakaisip. Hello, are you videoing?
Mas gusto ni Ken yung
Hey guys, nung binigay mo ako, kumukha ko yung nandun. Yung crush doon kasi kulero. Lang kulero. Si Billy. Guys, ka naging part ng Earth. Back up back. Focus. Ever. Turn right here? Yeah. Hey, we have reached your
papunta sa tubig, Jeeps. Straight to the water. May halayan sila. Sampayan pala, sorry. Tawag sa amin halayan eh.
Halayan.
You ready? You ready? Are you ready?
Gago.
Are you ready? Touch me over there. Touch me over there. Touch me over there. Touch me over there.
Bahala ka dyan, figure it out.
Let's go.
Talaga ba?
So cute.
Aww! Saan ka nakakita? Dinosaur sa lake.
Dino.
May ice tayo ba eh?
Meron.
Nag-melt na, naging tubig na.
Pwede tayo mag-set up ng tent then iwan yung mga
Tang ina! Hi guys! Tabingi, nakangiwi. Hi everyone! We are here.
This is our car.
We are gonna sleep in the car because we don't want to sleep in the tent.
They're gonna set up the tent.
Ay! Tarzan!
Ay!
Double deck ba yan? At nakita ko siya sa double deck.
Di niya gets kasi tulog na siya. Di niya gets. Well, ano yung sinabi? Kwento mo nga yung buong ano, sorry.
Nakatulog ako.
Tulog. Naiihi ako.
Ako din. CR tayo?
Ay, gusto niyo check natin?
Baka buko tayo.
Pwede po niya kahit dito na Baya may. Hey, how are you doing? Sinagis. How was your bathroom experience?
Okay, 5 out of 10.
Tawid ka nga, tawid ka nga.
She was a fairy.
Ha? Balik ka. Ang lapit-lapit lang eh.
Mika as a fairy.
They're building the tent. I wanna walk there. Huh? Fuck. Uy, gago, tangina. Baba-baba na nga lang eh. Shit!
Giving her all.
Yung daming tao pala yun doon. Oh. Ocean. Tapos lasang ano, ihi. Doon tayo mag-mermaid. Nadudumihan ako sa tubig. Natin for today's video ay shower straw and straps.
Huwag malapit pa tayo sa border. US.
Yung ano, gumagayong-gayon.
Yung ano?
Hindi ka kay tita. Hi guys, lagyan mo sa noo mo. This is the 360 view.
360.
This is Daya. Hi Daya. Hello guys, we are building. We are cut. They're building a tent. Another one because they have the other one. Hi guys. Let us show you our home. Hey, look, there's a bed and our stuff. Hi guys, we are eating. My goodness.
We are eating. We are 8.
We are 8. We have eaten rice. Eat. That is yours. Kaso wala tayong utensils.
Dapat kumain mo yan kasi baka sasabog yung tiyan ko sa tubig.
Eh, si acrobatics pala ito eh. Uy, puto, tangina. Pag yan, pumutok. Sayang yung $4 mo.
Tinan nyo nakakano.
Hello.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Hey, parking.
Daya, utangin naman. Kala ko ba
Parking. Hi guys! Welcome to our show. We are carrying as many as we can. It's freaking hot!
Yung umiikot, yung parang sa Ike, yung nakaupo kang ganun.
Oo.
Akala ko ano siya, yung parang sinakyan natin na ano, yung gumaganon.
Natatai ako.
Huwag na magsi-6 na pala. Kamusta pa? Ice cold? It's not cold at all. No, probably not. Why? You gonna swim? I might too. Go, Junay!
Ang lamig pa ko. Ayoko na dito, nakatingin na sila. Uuwi ko kasi. Kaya nga. Doon ka na nga
Malong ka, madam. Alam.
Ayong! I got acclimatize. Acclimatize.
Yay!
Hi guys, good morning. Morning. 9:47. Ha? So yung yellow na. Hala, yung ice. We're gonna go eat. Hindi nga kundi lang yung nalakad natin.
Sa papa niya. Mama kong siya, sisisinig. Sabi ko niya, pang-swimming papa.
Send it to
Ready
me.
na yan si tita sa loob niya, ano?
Send mo.
Pang-swimming yan sa loob niya. Hubad lang.
Say hi. Ari ko nung ako.
Hi!
Hello.
Christine.
Madaba pang...
More spam.
I mean, like, akala sila natin sa kanila. There's like 6 of them and there's 2 dogs.
Isa.
Si tita
Walang noong.
Tita, kwento ano daw sila tita.
Sige na, i-play mo na lang kung anong gusto mo. Bahala ka, alis na ako.
Hey. Wait, 1, 2. Brazil!
Yung statue nila, yung sa Brazil. Yung,
Ayun ba yun?
Oo.
Oo.
Oo, San Rio, Brazil. Yeah.
San Rio?
Ay, sa Rio.
San Rio. We are going to the water
Kasi ano ba
park.
yung sa ano?
Park? Ano pang swimming? Pang ano?
Brazil!
Ay, okay. What?
Brazil! Brazil!
Oo. Paano ka? Tipi-tipi.
Nina? Kanta Nina?
And Quavo. Quavo, or whatever.
Ito ka na mag-swimming. Laway-laway ka na lang. Kasi bigla ka na ano, mag-slide. No promises.
Ay, mauna!
Ayoko, sisipain mo kami.
We are currently in the car because we're changing our parking because why not?
Ano Filipinos na green?
Post na post.
Nandiyan lang naman.
Eh, bag na swimming to sa Vancouver.
Eh.
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 To the right. Ay. So shiny.
Hello, GoPro.
2, 3, go.
I don't know. Hi guys.
Nasira, dapat pa tayo, babe.
Can you see me?
Mekos ka na.
We have a fire.
Huwag mong ubusin mo na teatro.
Thank you. We're gonna do deep talks. Let the light in. Ay, ang labo mo. Malabong maging kayo. Day 3. Hi guys! Getting ready. Wow, ganda na ni person.
You too.
Wow, ganda naman nito.
It's so cute.
Lagyan mo pa sa isa, tapos ano maka siyang bear.
Wala ka ng buhok ni Francine dun. Tayo na mamaya.
Makatang shadow lang. Hey guys, we are here
Outside food and drinks.
at the Adventure Turbanesh. It's our hut.
It's sour. Part 3, sa lake ulit. Part 3 po. Part 3. Saan tayo?
Sa lake.
May tatlo.
Kumatay sa kumatay.
What time do you want to? Malamig po. Ayoko na po.
I'm passing this GoPro na magjowa.
Hello.
I'm passing this GoPro sa mga sirena.
I'm passing this GoPro. Eating and not passing this. And you're eating me out. Is it casual now?
And passing this GoPro. Ay, Pro Go? Ano ba tawag dito? GoPro sa lagi.
Hello. I'm passing this GoPro. I fear and anger. I like it. I'm passing this GoPro to my friend group. Passing this GoPro to someone who cannot swim. Wala akong bakit. Nilalamig na po kami.
Natutuin ako.
Katain na po partner ko.
Natutuin ako.
Ay, ako pa po. Nilalamig na po ako. That's it for now. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, last day camping. Where we going? Victoria.
Alis na po kami.
Bye! Bye! Point of view.
This is Tara, goodbye. This is the see you later.
See you later.
This is Tara, goodbye. This is the see you later.
See you later.
Till next time. For real. Hi guys. We are waiting to go to the ferry. Look, there's so many cars. This is Binimika. She's currently sleeping. Look how No driver. See you at the ferry.
Dito mo lang, bawal mag-mermaid dito.
I feel suffocated already. Seatbelt.
Ain't in double deck.
Nalaman niya na gumagalaw na tayo, umupo na siya.
Naiyak ako nung inalok ako ni Junie ng pagkain.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ay, sorry.
Saan ka nakatingin?
Wala ka. Yan lang.
Ready, get set. Ay, hindi ko na-videohan.
Eh, bola pa rin naman sa loob.
Hindi, yung Dragon Ball.
Dati trinay ko tanggalin yung bola. Hirap eh.
Miso soup.
Wala sa muna kasi may alat siya.
Okay.
Wala sa akin.
Basta ako hindi maalat.
Sa akin din.
Parehas ata yung luto sa amin, di ko kaya. Pakita mo. Pakita mo.
Melon.
Strawberry jam!
Sa nalay ko. Salmon.
Patakot yun.
Golden buzzer. Ikutin natin.
So good.
Alex, ay salad grapes.
Pampastamod.
Ano ka lang, Jake?
Let's look it.
Masya pa ba? Nasaan ano? Yung melon?
Yeah.
Yung sabi? Okay guys, ano grapes?
I like it.
Ano like
Beef yakisoba. Chicken yakisoba. Combo si.
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. Wow, big words.
Miso soup. Kumain dito.
Free fun, please. Nanunog.
Go lang. Ay! Hello!
Bakit? Ano nalaglag?
Nangalaka siya.
Sinapsik yung bata.
Nilinisan mo.
Nilinisan ko lang.
Hanggang nahulog.
Weird daw. Weirdo ka daw.
Lagyan mo sa lips mo para ano.
Hindi ka siya, babe.
Ganun.
Hindi ka siya.
Ay, tapos pagkalabas ako store. Ay.
Kasi isa lang malabas pa.
Ay, sara mo.
They're playing DeMarco.
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
It was too strong.
Guys, this is chaperone.
Can you see my glasses?
I can see it, but not from ano.
Not from afar.
Oo. Bakit?
Ako, ano, yun yung, ano,
Na 1% na lang. 1%, 1 bar na lang.
Yung camera?
Oo.
May charger yan. Spoon mo na lang, B.
Ano ba sa Airbnb?
Ay, for real?